Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful brand new Scarlet Lady. Now this incredible suite is one of their MEGA ROCKSTAR suites. It's a Fab Suite, so you're going to get all of the different amenities that they offer here on board. Before we tour the suite, make sure you keep in mind when you're ready to book your next Virgin voyage, you can do it right on harrtravel.com. Take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group, and get it at an incredible value with that Harr Travel signature service. Now let's tour the suite. Now your Rockstar status is going to start even before you get on board. As soon as you book the cruise, you're going to get access to the Rockstar agents, and it's going to carry over on board as well, where they're going to take care of all of your desires while you're traveling. Now this is similar to kind of a butler style service. They're going to help you with reservations. You do get early access and priority reservations because you are in one of the MEGA ROCKSTAR suites. Now we're starting off here in the living room. You can see those signatures from the Tom Dixon design in here. It's absolutely stunning. You've got a large couch right there. This does double as a bed. So if you have more than 2 people staying in the room, that's going to fold out and be the extra bedroom space. Now as we continue through the space over here, you're going to have your bar set up. So you're going to have a full bar. You're going to get unlimited drinks while you're here on board the ship. And that's going to start with bottle service right in your room. You've got a mini fridge underneath that'll come fully stocked as well to your personal preferences. Now every one of these suites is going to have a record player. Of course, Richard Branson loves vinyl. It's where he got started in the industry. You've got a collection that you can utilize while you're here in the suite, or you can head down and purchase some vinyl yourself. Now over in the corner, you've got 2 chairs and a small coffee table. And then directly across from the couch, you're going to find the first of the large flat panel TVs. Now it's fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship and watch television. You can also utilize the iPad here to pick from a large collection of different content where you can stream it right on the TV itself. Now that iPad also works for a couple other things. You can use it to control the lighting, set the mood, and pretty much all the controls here in the suite itself. Now, if you're in this particular suite or any of the MEGA ROCKSTAR suites, you're probably going to be hosting some friends who are traveling with you. What's great about this particular one that's tucked just around the corner here is a half bath. So if anybody's staying in this room, or if you have friends that come over and visit, you've got this nice little half bath there. There's a full vanity as well. Now directly across, you're going to find the primary bathroom here. You've got an extra large vanity, upgraded bath amenities, storage underneath. You also have your slippers and those really incredibly comfortable ROCKSTAR robes. Now I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy. I appreciate that I can actually fit in here. You've got the toilet, water closet tucked just around the corner there. You've got a large rainforest shower head up above, the shower wand, and then the bench right there. Now there is a peekaboo window that looks through to the bedroom, but you can also have room service, or you can also have housekeeping cover that up if you prefer. Now it wouldn't be a hard travel tour if we didn't point out all the storage. So you've got closets here for storage, hanging storage above and down there, and then you've got storage underneath as well. And then just tucked over here to the corner, you're gonna find your safe, big enough for a laptop and your personal belongings. You've got the drawers and more shelves. Now another one of the great features that you can take advantage of in here is if you love to rock out, you've got a guitar that you can utilize. This is a Gibson SG, so if you want to channel your inner AC/DC and get a little thunderstruck, you can do that right in your suite. Now one other thing that I wanted to point out is you also have a PlayStation in here, so you can see there's all kinds of fun and games that you can utilize in the room in addition to the incredible ship. Now as we head through here, we're gonna get into the primary bedroom. You see a large king-size bed. And once we're in this space, you can really see those nautical mega yacht style themes that they have in here. Beautiful headboard. You're gonna have US plugs and USBs on either side. The reading lights up above. You can see that peekaboo shower once again. They'll cover that up if you prefer the extra privacy. Now over here, you've got a small table. It's a vanity where you can sit and get ready. You can also utilize it as a charging station. And then you have yet another large flat panel TV, fully interactive, and you can stream directly from the tablet as well. Now you've got a reading chair and an ottoman tucked in the corner, another one on the far side, and then as the theme goes, you have plugs all around the entire space. Now, in addition to the luxury of space, you're also going to get quite a few more upgrades here on board. So you're going to get access to Richard's rooftop. It's a suite-only outdoor space where they'll host different parties, events, or just a place to chill. In addition to that, you're going to get private transportation. And then once you get on board here, all of your needs are going to be met by the Rockstar agents. Now out here, you're going to find your private outdoor space. You've got a couch over on the side, 2 loungers with a table in the middle. Perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening, or take advantage of that incredible room service menu. Now, one of those Virgin signatures that you're going to find on every balcony are these hammocks. So they're really comfy. I love the fact that they have these on each and every one where you can sit, rock the day or the night away, and take advantage of the incredible views wherever it is that you're sailing on Virgin Voyages. Now, when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Virgin, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or group, and get it at an incredible value with that Harr Travel signature service.